Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer claim paperwork to Allstate using the Allstate app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Allstate app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your username and password. From the main menu, select the claims option. Choose the claim you want to transfer paperwork for. Locate the Upload Documents button within the claim details. Tap on the button to start the upload process. You will be prompted to select the type of document you want to upload. Choose the relevant document type from the provided list. Select the option to take a photo or choose an existing file from your device. If taking a photo, align the document in the frame and tap the shutter button. Once the photo is taken, you can review it for clarity. If you're satisfied, tap the Use this photo button. If you prefer to upload a file, navigate to your document storage and select the file. After selecting the document, tap the Upload button. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, a confirmation message will appear. You can now return to the claim details to review the uploaded paperwork. If needed, repeat the process to upload additional documents. Make sure all necessary paperwork is submitted for your claim. Check back later to view the status of your claim. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.